Got this sick little mod to do today from Yotto Overland. You're like, Joe, what's in your sick stylish pouch? Well, let me show you. All right, so we picked up some hood bumpers from Yotto Overland. Like, what are hood bumpers? If you look at the top of your hood, there's those rubber bumps. Those are your hood bumpers. We got texturized, so raptorized covers for them. They just stick on with 3M tape. Should be super easy to install. All right, so let's take a little look at them. So this is raptorized. They're just a nice bed line, like textured spray. And then on the bottom, 3M tape, stick them over. Should be pretty easy. And the only thing you really should need is some rubbing alcohol to clean off the top so the 3M tape sticks a little better. All right, from here, we just peel off the red liners and stick them on. Now we'll just do the same thing on this side. We'll peel off the liners here and stick them on. All right guys, pretty easy install, adding the covers to the hood bumpers. If you want to pick up some for your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator, go to yottooverland.com. I'll leave a link in my description below. And I also have a discount code so you guys can save money, 82media. I'll also list that below so you can see it. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.